intuition was right. Underneath the shade of moonlight, you were standing there, the sun touched hair, and your dress a color white. Like an aeroplane, I took flight, fell in love with you that first night. Cause you danced with me, and I could see that there was more to life.
Hi, Serge and Grace! Finally, natupad na din yung pinag-pray natin. The most awaiting day, yung wedding day ninyo. All I can wish for both of you is to continue to grow your love for each other all the days of your life, and the most important is to put God first at the center of your relationship. Congratulations, best wishes, and God bless.
Hi, Tita Grace. I wish you happy marriage. I love you.
Just before the strike of midnight, you say this could be the good life. Then you say goodbye, hope that I get to see you soon. Then I walked for several miles, couldn't rid me of my smile. You found me, and I found you in this lovely month of June.
Richie, Serge, happy wedding sa inyo.
Stay in love po.
God bless.
Sister Glett and Brother Serge, congratulations. I just wish you to continue being happy forever. I love you.
Will you catch me? Because lately you're a dream come true. Say you love me, you are lovely.
Sa inyong dalawa, Serge, Grace, ang masasabi ko lang sa inyo, sana magbigayan kayo sa isa't isa at magtulungan kung anuman ang hindi pagkakaunawaan, pasensyahan kayo para sa ikabubuti ninyong dalawa.
Do you feel it too?
Ito lang ang masasabi ko. Panatilihin lang ninyo ang inyong magandang samahan at pagmamahalan. Magtulungan kayo sa lahat ng mga pagsubok sa buhay at laging kayong magmahalan. Yun lang. Happy wedding.
Sir Grace, happy wedding. Sana magkaroon sa pundasyon ang inyong pagmamahalan habang buhay. Kung sakali man mayroong kayong hindi pagkakaunawaan, ay masolusyonan nyo kaagad at sana habang buhay nyo huwag makalimutan ang aking mensahe nito.
Serge, Grace, ang masasabi ko sa inyo, tibayan ninyo ang iyong pagmamahalan, pagsasama, at huwag kayong mag-away na dalawa habang buhay kayong magmahalan. Lalong-lalo na si Serge, huwag mong awayin si Grace. Happy wedding sa inyong dalawa.